Today we will see basic proportionality theorem. The statement of the theorem is, if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. This is the basic proportionality theorem and we have to prove this theorem. So let's see how to solve this. Students, from the statement of the theorem, our first step is we have to identify what is given and what we have to prove. The part of the statement from if to then is given part, and the part of the statement after then, this line we have to prove. Okay student, so let's here we will see what is given. A line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects remaining sides in two distinct points. So according to this, here we will draw one triangle, triangle A, B, C. We will draw one line L parallel to side BC. Okay. Then this line intersects side AB at point P and side AC at point Q. Okay student. So this we have to write in given. Now what we have to prove? The line divides the sides in the same proportion. So line L divides side AB into two parts, AP and PB, and side AC into two parts, AQ and QC. So we have to prove ratio AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Okay students, understood how to write given and to prove? Now to prove this, we have to do construction. We have to draw segment PC and segment QB. Okay, and now we'll start the proof. Students, you can see in the figure triangle A, P, Q and triangle P, Q, B. These two triangles have equal heights. So the ratio of their area is equal to ratio of their bases. Therefore, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to AP upon PB. This is statement number 1. And the reason is areas proportionate to bases. Why? Because these triangles have equal height. Okay student. Now next, triangle A, P, Q and triangle P, Q, C. These two triangles also have equal heights. So the ratio of their area is equal to ratio of their bases. Area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC is equal to AQ upon QC. This is statement number 2. And the reason is areas proportionate to bases because they have equal heights. Okay. Now again observe the figure students. Triangle PQB and triangle PQC. See this triangle PQC and PQB. These two triangles have common base PQ. And these two triangles are in between these two parallel lines. That means they have equal height also. They have equal base, equal height. That's why their areas are also equal. Area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. This is statement number 3. Okay. Now from statement number 1, 2 and 3, we can say area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC. Okay. Now, the first ratio is area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB. Here we wrote it is equal to AP upon PB. Then area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC is equal to AQ upon QC. So here we got AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. So this way we proved basic proportionality theorem. Now we will see converse of basic proportionality theorem. The statement of the theorem is, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Okay, now what is given here? A line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. So here I drawn triangle ABC. I drawn one line L which intersects side AB at point P and side AC at point Q. It divides the sides in the same ratio, means AP upon PB. This is given part in triangle ABC. AP upon PB. It divides the second side in the ratio AQ upon QC. Okay, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Then we have to prove line L is parallel to line BC. So this is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. A line divides two sides into equal ratio AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. Then this line L is parallel to line BC. Follow, students? Now this theorem we don't have to prove here because you just have to remember the statement. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. It is useful to solve questions. Okay.